When the Custom 500 was brought out in the 1960s, it was ahead of its time, and it remains that yet today with this reiteration of the Custom 500 that features a fiberglass shell, quilted interior. It fits trim, it's light, it's still a wonderful helmet. The quilted interior isn't a gimmick. The reason for that quilting is it makes the comfort liner lay flatter inside the helmet, so when that's on, you're not getting any hot spots. It feels like a custom-made suit. When Bell reintroduced the Custom 500 in midsummer 2010, they were a roaring success, and they were oversold. We were absolutely overwhelmed by the market acceptance. We brought out some new models for spring of 2011, new Roland Sands edition, the Grand National, and expanding the metal flake. We've got a black metal flake that in the sunlight that absolutely sparkles. Just gorgeous helmet.